we're going to have a go at illustrating a scene from William Grill's book Shackleton's Journey. So as you can see, I've used crayons, but I have also used pencil. So depending on what you have, I used a 6B pencil here, or we can use crayons. I'm going to have a go at using crayons, but if you don't, like I say, you can use sketch pencils. So divide your page into 4, you can fold it or you can draw a line with a ruler, and then we can have a go at drawing 4 different studies. So we're going to start by putting in the tone of the sky, which is that kind of darker colour. So if you're using pencil, you want to press harder. So we're kind of creating the shape of the mountains. So I'm using a dark blue here. So I've grabbed a grey now, and I'm going to pop that on top to give it that darker tone. So now I'm going to go with a lighter blue. I'm going to put the shape of this mountain in place, as well as shaping the mountain in front of it. So if you're using a pencil, sketch pencil, you're just pressing lightly. So I'm going to leave areas white that I want to stay white. So I'm still pressing lightly with my pencil crayon. Then when you're happy with that, we're going to get a lighter grey, and we're just going to shade lightly over the top. So I'm not pressing hard at all. So just giving it a bit more of a tone to that lighter blue. We want to make this mountain look a bit more 3D. So some areas I might go a little bit darker to give it a bit more form. Cool. So we're moving on to this mountain in front now. So I'm going to use my blue again. So it's my darker blue that I used for the top. I'm going to use it really lightly, and we're just going to add the shape of this kind of cliff in front. So although you can see the darker areas, I'm going to shade all the bits that are blue just in a really light blue first. I'm going to make sure I leave some space for where I want the white to be. So once I'm happy with that, I can go ahead and add my darker tones of blue. So I'm going to press a bit harder now. And then I'm just going to go ahead and make some of these lighter areas a little bit darker. And then I'm just taking my grey and I'm just going to work into some of those darker areas. Add a bit more tone again. And the last bit we need to do, we're just going to add some of the cliff edge here. So dark blue again, and I'm just going to add that zigzaggy shape along the bottom. So this is a lot darker now. So once I'm happy with it, I can start pressing harder. Then I'm going to take my grey again, and I'm just going to work into it to make it a darker tone and to give it that form. So I'm going to colour straight down on some of these zigzags, just half of them. Once you've had a go in one square, try again in another square. So you should have 4 different quick little studies, each time getting a little bit better and improving. So you can use pencil crayons or you can use sketch pencils. Enjoy, guys!